Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, January 4th, and I'm here with two great kits plus coordinating fabrics. If you remember, about a week or two ago, I showed you these quilt samples. They were hanging right there, but we had to move them on to their next shop locations. So now, of course, as soon as we move them on, we got the kits in stock. So these are called Symphony. It's two different options by Banyan Batiks. We have the contemporary or neutral colorway, which I can show you right here. Look how pretty those fabrics are. So, so nice. So we have it in the neutral and then we have it in the bold. And I'll show you this one as well. I love these boxes. This is a nice box to keep things in later. There's the beautiful fabrics in that one. So, and then here, I'll show you the quilt in case you missed that video from a week or two ago. This quilt is suitable for all skill levels, from beginner to the experienced quilter. The techniques used to create the blocks allow for easy and quick construction, and you will not be bored. There are two colorways for you to choose from: a soft neutral for the contemporary home and a bright version to make a bold statement. The size is just right to either hang on the wall or lay over a sofa or on the lap of a loved one. The finished size is about 66 by 78 inches, and the kit includes the pattern and over 13 yards of fabric for the quilt top and binding. We then chose to pick up these extras so that you'd have options for quilt backings, or if you wanted to add bigger borders. And then these are the two options that I picked up to go with the bold colorway. So you will be sure to have everything that matches, because I believe both of these fabrics are actually in here. We have it here and down here at the bottom. So you will have everything you need to make the quilt right here in this box. It is sold as a block of the month, but we're going to be selling them just as straight out kits, so you can do it whenever you want. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.